The number one cause of water heater failure is sediment buildup in the tank. This is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to remove that sediment right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. You can make your water heater more efficient and extend its life by draining the tank and flushing away sediment at least once a year. Here's all you have to do. For electric heaters, turn off the power at the breaker box. For gas units, turn the fuel control to the off setting. Next, turn off the cold water inlet valve and attach your garden hose to the outlet valve at the bottom of the tank. When you open the outlet valve, be very careful. It is hot water. To get the water flowing, you also have to flip the pressure relief valve near the top of the tank to break the vacuum inside. Once the hot water drains all out completely, open the cold water valve to flush out the tank and then simply reverse the process to restore normal operation. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.